As a YouTube creator, I know you really want your videos to perform well. You want viewers to spend more time watching more of your videos, which thus will actually increase the watch time your videos are accumulating and increasing the viewing session time, which helps your videos perform better in search results and related videos and gets them more exposure overall. A really great tool, practical thing that a lot of creators can do to build that exposure and build all those positive signals for Google is to have an end card on your video that will drive those viewers to other content of your own and help them take that next action that you want them to take, whether it's to subscribe or whatever. Today, I want to introduce you guys to outromaker.com, who is cool enough to sponsor this video for you guys to teach you exactly how to build and use end cards that will get your viewers to watch more of your stuff so that your videos perform better overall. Let me take you to my desktop and show you exactly how to use it. Let's start here at outromaker.com on the website. I want to show you how many different types of custom backgrounds you can make and layouts you can make for your end card here. You can have like 2 videos side by side with your custom subscribe button at the bottom and do like your previous video. You can have your own branding, links. You could opt to do 3 videos, lots of different cool things, 2 videos, all this stuff. So you can make them however you'd like, or there's some built-in templates. Let me show you how to get started here. I'm going to go up here and click on outros. I've already logged in, created my account, and this is the template I've selected. Now you can browse their make your own, which I'll show you in a second, or you can choose from a lot of their stock ones that they have, and they're always adding and updating, adding new different designs here. I picked this one as the one we're gonna play with because it's simple, has a subscribe right here, shows 2 videos, but you can make your own if you have your own custom one, and there's a couple ways you can do that. Either 1, you can upload your own image. 2, you can create one manually, which will go to PinkMonkey, or you can say, hey, I already have my end card in one of my YouTube videos. Let's just use that one and import one from one of your existing videos. So the create one with PinkMonkey, that one's really cool because it just integrates right here and it's got everything you need ready to get started with editing and creating your own from scratch. Let me show you how the upload one works real quick by using one from my computer here. I selected it, it's uploading, and I'll show you how easy this is. So I've got the background image. This is an image I made on my computer using Photoshop. You can add background music to it if you'd like to. You can do custom drawing here. So I'm gonna say here is where I'm gonna mark this area for one annotation, should be right there. And that'll be a previous vlog. You can clone it, you can toggle it, the sound on and off of it if you want. I'm gonna have the sound on for this one, for example. I'm gonna add another one. This is gonna be a video placeholder, but I want a subscribe annotation for a subscribe area, so I'm gonna create that location right here over top of this button, and you can grab like external links. You can add a lot of different things here, and then I'll just click save. And that will be one of my end cards now that's available as a custom template, which will be really awesome and easy to use. But let me show you how they use you know, your templates that they provide, which I think are really cool. I'm just going to go to outros here at the top, and this is the one I just created. But let me go use one of theirs to show you how cool theirs are, one of their stock ones, because I like some of these too. I'm going to use this one right here, the one I had before. And then I'm going to go down and click on next. And it's going to let me pick which videos I want. So I'm going to make an end card that I'm going to use on every single video of mine that has to do with video SEO. Because if someone's watching like a video where I'm talking about video SEO, then I want to show 2 more videos about video SEO at the end to get them to click to keep watching because apparently they've expressed interest in that topic. So here's one that's going to be in the first spot on the end card, and then this is going to be my second video I'm going to pick. So both of these are about video SEO. Scroll down here. Here's my preview I get as a result, and I'll click next to keep going. And this is where I get to set how long I want this end card to run. I'll pick 15 seconds. You can go up to 30 or down to 5, but I think 15 is probably about right. And I want to set each of these end cards, the videos, to start at a time where there's going to be something visual on screen that I think would make it enticing for someone to click, you know. So I can get pretty specific here. And I'll just stop that one right there. And then on this one, let's pick something ahead, maybe Let's just have it right about here, you know. So I'll just back up a little bit as we're talking, and I'll go with that. Okay, so let's hit finish here. And it's going to take, it usually takes about a minute to process. So I'll give it a minute here and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, it's finished now. You can preview it here if you'd like to see exactly what it looks like when it's running, which is kind of what I was hoping for it would look like, which is great. You can download it or delete it. First thing I'm going to do is rename it. And the reason why is you can have a whole list of different end cards you want to use, like I said, for different topics, different themes. This is going to be the end card I'm going to use for videos about video SEO. So I'll just label this one video SEO, and then you're going to go ahead and download it, and then you're going to import that clip into your video editing software and tack it on to the end of your video along with any music or anything else like that you want to add. So I've exported that video, I've uploaded it to YouTube. It's how to be extremely really good at video SEO. I've uploaded. The thing I hate most about annotations is having to add them all. It's so tedious. So Outro Maker has a really easy solution for that. Let me show you guys what it is. So you move your cursor to the end, right to where the annotations are going. You want them to display over your end card. Okay, now you're going to come back over here and you're going to click on this at the top, annotations. This is your outro annotator. You're just going to click and drag it up to your bookmarks bar. You can rename it if you want. I'm just going to leave it as outro annotator, and this is going to do all sorts of magic. Watch this. So I've got my playhead right where my end card begins. And what I'm going to do is just click on this little bookmarklet I've created, and this thing pops up. It says select the video from the drop down menu to create annotations that match your outro. So here's my video SEO outro I named, remember? So that's the one I've selected. Yeah, create YouTube cards too. Those are interactive cards that work on mobile since annotations don't. And then sure, let's add some titles into the videos, make them look pretty. It's only going to take a second. Watch. I'm going to click add, and it's done. Look. It's automatically added all these annotations to the very end. It's got the topic right here, the text. It's got this as a subscribe. It's got these automatically linked to the correct videos, which is awesome. And then I can go look at the interactive cards as well. Check this out. Look, it's added both cards to the very end. Video number 1 and video number 2. I'll scrub to the end and show you what this looks like, but it's automatically placed each of those. So people watching on mobile devices, their annotations aren't going to work. Look, boom, the card pops out for them. It'll stay open for about 5 or 6 seconds. It'll go away, and then the next one will, boom, pop right back in. See? So you can take advantage of showing both of those interactive cards to the viewer. OutroMaker.com is perfect for any of you guys who are using video editing software that doesn't allow you to easily make these end cards, like you're using iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, or even using some paid programs that just aren't that flexible. This is a really great, perfect, easy solution for someone like you. It's also a great solution for anyone who wants to keep an organized library of different end cards they use to associate different end card topics with different videos that they make to increase the likelihood that someone's going to keep watching more and more of their videos and getting this watch time, session time, all that stuff. And number 3, it's also really great for saving time, adding those annotations, adding those interactive cards, lining them all up, boom. You just click that one button and it's all done for you. And now I know a big question that a lot of you guys are going to be asking is, Tim, what about that tutorial you made a few weeks ago that shows the new end card elements that YouTube is going to be rolling out eventually sometime? Will this support that? That is a very good question because I asked them the same thing and they informed me that as soon as YouTube officially rolls out the new end card elements, they will update their system to support them as well. If their service seems like something that could be beneficial to you, there's a link to them in the description below. You can click or just go over to outromaker.com. And if you use the promo code video creators, all is one word, you can get a promo discount for 50% off if you choose to go past your 7-day trial and pay for one of the plans that they have available. 50% off. That is a great deal. So go check it out, outromaker.com. And I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below how you would use a service like Outro Makers for organizing all your end cards and easily just like integrating them with your content, the annotations and the cards, and saving you time and all that type of good stuff. Looking forward to reading what you guys say down there below. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe. This channel, Video Creators, is all about helping you guys grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches a lot of people and impacts and changes their lives. So thank you for letting me be a small part of that. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next week for more YouTube training tutorials and stuff to help you accomplish all that stuff we just talked about. So thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.